Gordon, look at the smoke.
You need to relax your sack. Sit down.
This is dangerous.
Holy moly.
We good?
Fantastic. Don't worry, everything is under control.
Ready, steady, burn.
No, get ready, steady, burn. You need to caramelize
No,
things.
caramelize? You're burning the RV down, kiddo.
Everything is going to be okay. What are you doing in the kitchen?
Get the saffron in early.
No, love it. Who's cooking the paella? You know, have you got a little bit of alcohol to flame the chicken? Because
I have. I've got some
like
nice
a
brandy
sherry or
here.
something.
Do you have some? Yes, please. Thank you. What is that?
It's a Spanish brandy, delicious.
Oh, that will do the job. That will do the job. Okay, give it a good shake. What's up? What's up again?
This is too much.
I know what I'm doing. Oh, the rice is in with the tomato and the garlic.
Okay, good.
Now
Stock
we're
is
gonna put
boiling.
the stock.
Don't flood it. Don't flood it. It's not a risotto, okay? So.
No.
Yeah.
Just, then we wait it to absorb a little bit, and then we go for more.
But not too dry.
Oh, so sorry. What are you doing on the window?
Did you burn Gordon?
Did I burn you? I'm so sorry.
It's all good.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's all good.
Come here.
It's all good. No.
Let me put some...
No. Honestly, it's all good. It's all good.
I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Treat it as a risotto then, if that makes you feel better.
Okay, we need to put this down.
I'll turn it down.
What is going on there?
Fred?
Yeah?
Fred, come here, Fred.
I've got it.
Fred!
I've got it.
This is too much. This thing is going to go on fire.
No, it's good. It's good.
Oh, my
It
God.
fell off. It's okay. Fred, I've got it. I've got it.
Fuck.
Fred, I've got it. What are you doing, Fred?
I'm just trying to hold it.
It's good. Leave it. What? Fuck.
Lift it. Lift it.
Don't touch it. Guys, I'm underneath it. Don't touch it.
Yeah, don't touch it.
I'm trying to turn the thing off.
You got it?
Yep.
Everything under control.
This is a cooking disaster, Gino.
This is it. Young man, I've never seen anything so ridiculous in all my life.
Alexa, do you like Gordon Ramsay?
I certainly do, but I've always preferred Jamie Oliver.
I love you, Alexa. I do love you, see?
That's out of order.
No. Alex, she knows what she's doing.
She does, but Gino hasn't got a clue. Time to wrap this fiasco up.
Gino.
Yeah.
Seriously, how long? It's getting
Just
dark.
garnish now with flat leaf parsley, chopped. Then I'm gonna put some roasted beautiful peppers. The gambas are already in there.
Okay.
But look at that. This is looking beautiful, guys.
It smells delicious.
Okay.
Really
Yeah.
delicious.
Boys, you're in for a treat. So get ready for service.
Yep, here. Drinks are ready.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's do this. Oh, you.
Fred. What the? Hey. Oh,
Okay.
for God's sake.
All right, listen.
Hey, you have to be fucking kidding me.
All right.
You
Look,
have-
I did not think about the pan in the van.
Hold-
Wait. There is a way to do this.
My
can do